This is a storm drain. The sole purpose of a storm drain is to move rainwater caused by storms directly to our streams and lakes without receiving treatment. Stormwater does not go to a treatment facility. We have a responsibility to protect our water by keeping our storm drains clear of pollutants and only allowing stormwater into our drains. Mobile auto washers is one of the largest growing trends in the car wash detailing industry. Thanks to rapidly advancing technologies, customers can seek businesses that will travel to their home or workplace to clean their vehicles while they go on with their daily lives. While this growing trend has made car washing easier for people, there are still environmental considerations for safely and properly operating a mobile washing business. Wash water generated from auto washing can produce harmful pollutants such as detergents, oils, dirt, metals, and other chemicals. Allowing anything other than stormwater to enter the storm drain system is unlawful and goes against environmental regulations put in place to protect our lakes and streams. Even soaps said to be biodegradable or environmentally friendly are harmful to the environment. If you are operating a mobile washing business, take the time to follow these simple steps in order to protect our environment and obey the law. Step 1. Assess your site. Before you do anything, take the time to familiarize yourself with your surroundings. Be sure to identify all storm drains and places where wash water would flow. Also, be sure to obtain permission from the property owner to access private wastewater disposal sites. Step 2. Set up a containment system. Make sure that you have a reasonable containment solution. Although there are many ways to contain wash water, here is one example you could follow. In this particular demonstration, containment pools can be created using a tarp draped over the edges, created from PVC pipe, wood, or any other sturdy material to create a temporary berm. Also, in the event of a spill, be sure to protect storm drains by creating a barrier around them, such as sandbags wrapped with a tarp. There are several solutions to ensure protection of storm drains. Many will depend on your site. Professional products for this use are widely available for purchasing on the internet. Remember, the most important thing is that all wash water is to be contained. Step 3. Collect and properly dispose. When washing a vehicle, the wash water created must be collected. Wash water should not be directed to grassy areas. To capture the wash water, you can use methods such as a wet-dry shop vacuum or a sump pump to either pump wash water directly into a proper disposal site. Without direct access to a proper disposal site, use an appropriate container or tank, which you would then transport and empty into a proper disposal site. It is important to have a plan in place before collecting the wash water into the container or tank. You may need to carry it in a vehicle or place it on a trailer to transport to a disposal location. Some examples of proper disposal sites would be a utility sink, toilet, or tub. Never a storm drain and never a manhole. Be sure that you sweep up any visible solids or residue left after collecting wash water and dispose of properly. Step 4. Regularly reevaluate. You want to regularly reevaluate your containment and collection systems to ensure they are functioning properly. You need to ask yourself questions like, do you need a larger tarp? Do you need a higher berm? Is your shop vac or sub pump working properly? Make sure everything highlighted in the previous steps are in proper working order. You may need to keep backup equipment with you in case an issue arises. So remember, in order to protect storm drains and to comply with environmental regulations, all you have to do is follow these 4 simple steps. Assess your site, set up a containment system, collect and properly dispose, and regularly reevaluate. Bottom line, when operating a mobile washing business, keep wash water and any residual waste from entering storm drains. For questions or general information, please call 373-CITY, that's 373-2489, or visit www.greensboro-nc.gov/stormwater. If we all do our part, we can keep Greensboro's streams and lakes clean.